guess what? I got my products. So obviously I have makeup on today, but I am so excited about my goodies. So excited. This video is in partnership with Dermalogica. I'm going to get my skin back. And let's see what goodies I have. So one of the things that came highly recommended across the board was the pre-cleanse product. It basically helps to remove oil from your skin without clogging your pores. And it has fatty acids in it that help to nourish your skin. So if you have oily skin like me, this is a highly recommended product. Let me just open it so you can see what it's all about, and I will be doing close-ups of each product. But this is what it looks like, and it comes with a pump because you're supposed to use it with dry hands. So you pump it into your hand and then you apply it to your face, and it helps to remove makeup, dirt, oil, debris, sunscreen. It's just designed to melt away all of that and leave clean, refreshed skin. So this is usually step one in a double cleanse process. And I actually got two cleansers. The clearing skin wash helps to clear away oil without stripping your skin and making it dry. It also helps to prevent future breakouts because that's a major thing. You may have existing breakouts, but then it also helps to prevent new breakouts from popping up. And it also has soothing botanicals that help to calm any kind of irritation that may be going on with your skin. And I got all full-size products. Second cleanser that I got can be used in alternation with the first cleanser, the skin clearing wash. They can be used either morning or night. This one is the Active Clay Cleanser. This is a purifying prebiotic cleanser. This one helps to promote balance by removing excess oils and impurities from your skin, because clay is always a good ingredient to help to purify. And for someone like me who has large pores, I've always had large pores my entire life, this one purifies the pores by smoothing and revitalizing the skin. So I'm excited about that. Next up, another product that comes highly, highly, highly recommended. If you've heard about Dermalogica, more than likely you have heard about this product already. This is the #1 best-selling product, the Daily Microfoliant. This is a winner. I have used this before. I used this after I had my first child. My skin was horrible, horrible. Like all of this was just breakouts and dark marks and everything you could think of. But this was one of the products that came highly recommended, and I used it every day, and it helped to smooth out my skin because I had a lot of texture issues from hormonal acne and breakouts, and then the scars from me doing what you're not supposed to do, which is pick your face. But I'm beyond that now because I'm looking for a new face. So this helps to remove dulling surface debris and even your skin tone. So no, it's not gonna bleach your skin, but it's just going to help to resurface and even out that skin tone and any texture issues you may have. It's also gentle enough for daily use. So another product that I got is the Multi-Active Toner. And this is a refreshing, hydrating mist. I have oily skin naturally, so I never think that I will need a product that's going to refresh my skin. But oily skin does also get tight, and it also gets dehydrated, so you have to put some of that moisture back in. This helps to even out skin porosity. That's the ability to absorb moisture, and it optimizes that ability to absorb moisture. You would definitely use before applying a moisturizer. And in case you haven't realized, I'm kind of going in chronological order of the way you would use these products. If anyone has used any of these products so far, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Next up, we have something that I hope is going to be a game changer for me, and it is designed to brighten and clear dark marks. Because if you watched the earlier part of this video, you would see that I have quite a few dark marks. Not only do I have melasma under this patch of makeup, but I also have acne scarring, that's left dark marks wherever I've been picking and stuff like that. So this is the Age Bright Clearing Serum. Because yes, I am getting up there in age. I think products that are geared toward aging skin, that people can start using them as early as their 20s. It just depends on if you want to take a preventative approach or if you want to wait until lines and wrinkles and all of that start showing up. This is also good for people who have adult acne. That's me. I've been blessed in that way. So this one works with the skin's natural biome, that's the natural protective layer, to clear and brighten the skin. So according to the package, it also has phytoactives from Resurrection Plant, which hydrate and smooth the skin. Can't wait to see the difference it'll make. Next, I have two different moisturizers. One has an SPF in it, and the other one is like a regular moisturizer. This is the Active Moist Oil-Free Prebiotic Moisturizer. It gives you that oil-free hydration without a greasy feeling. So no one wants to go to bed feeling greasy and sticky and laying on a pillow. So this is supposed to absorb directly into your skin and moisturize you, especially overnight. Or you could wear this during the daytime also. You could actually layer both of these. This also smooths and helps to improve skin texture. It's the Oil-Free Matte, which has SPF 30, and it is a mattifying protective moisturizer. This is also really good for people with oily skin, because if you have oily skin, you may have this problem that I have. Like moisturizers with SPF, they usually just sit on top of my skin and they make me feel oilier, greasier. They make me feel like my pores are being clogged. So sometimes I just choose a foundation that has moisturizer and SPF in it, as opposed to an SPF and then makeup on top of that. This is oil-free and it's lightweight, and it absorbs oil for an all-day matte finish. I just love the sound of that. That just sounds excellent already, because we always have to remember to wear SPF. That has been one of my major downfalls, and that's probably why I still have so many dark marks on my skin, because I just don't think about wearing sunscreen every day. But it is important, no matter what your skin tone is, to protect yourself from those harmful UV rays. You only got one face, so you have to take care of it, right? One additional product that I'm looking forward to is a spot treatment. I am a person who gets lots of spots, so I need a spot treatment. This is the Age Bright Spot Fader, a brightening spot treatment. This is designed to reduce the appearance of active breakouts and post-breakout marks. So most products, they will either treat your breakouts or your marks. This one is designed to do both. That's really interesting. It's a part of the active clearing line, which anyone with adult acne, I would say, take a look at that. It has salicylic acid, which works to clear breakouts. It also has the Age Bright Complex, which helps to reduce visible signs of aging without over drying. So those are all of my goodies that I got, and I cannot wait to start a regimen. If you have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned, or you want to find out more about how to use them, just leave a comment below and let me know what you think. But one thing that I can't forget to mention before I wrap up this video is free samples. So I know with basically every order, or even if you go and get a treatment at Dermalogica, you will leave with free samples. So in this order, I got a sample of the Sebum Clearing Mask, and this is also designed to work in tandem with the products that were recommended by the face mapping AI software. The second sample I got is the Biolumin C Eye Serum, designed to brighten and firm the eye area. This can be used morning or evening. So I am very excited about all of these products and they're all designed to work together. That's something that I like about the Dermalogica line. The good thing about the Dermalogica face mapping software is that it points out your problem areas and it chooses products specifically to work in your favor. So if you want to try the Dermalogica face mapping artificial intelligence, just go to dermalogicacaribbean.com. It is completely free. You can try it and see what some of the problem areas are for your skin and some of the products that are recommended. You can either purchase them directly from the website that is specific to your region, or if stores are open in your region, you can go to a store. Whatever works for you. I am just personally excited to be starting this new skincare journey with Dermalogica to reveal better skin, because mama needs some help. I've been busy taking care of other people, and now I need to give my face a little TLC. So that does it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know what you thought about some of the products that I mentioned in this video. Do you have any questions about them? Have you tried them? And don't forget to subscribe and check out dermalogicacaribbean.com and their Instagram page.